we're going to make a magic potion. All you need is lemonade, boiling hot water, and this amazing stuff. Do you know what it is? This is the dried flowers of the butterfly pea plant. This is the special ingredient to make the magic. I'm going to show you how. This is a butterfly pea flower. What you're going to do, take about 5 of the flowers and put it in a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take your boiling hot water. You should have adult supervision to pour the hot water so you don't get burnt. Pour it on top of the flowers and watch what happens. You see the blue coming out of the flowers? Let the flowers steep in the hot water for about 10 minutes. When they're done, you will have a blue color. Can you see me? Now pour it into a cup. Look how bright blue. Since this is a drink, we added a little bit of sugar to the blue mixture. Without the sugar, it's a little bitter. We took our lemonade and made it into ice cubes to make it more fun. All you do is take an ice cube and drop it in the potion, and then magic. Are you ready? Did you see it change? Can you see how purple it got? Here's a side-by-side to compare the color. Do you see how this one's purple and that one is blue? Do you know what happened? When we boiled the flowers, we made a pH indicator. What that means is that it can detect acids. The lemonade is an acid. When they're mixed together, the blue becomes purple, and that indicates the acid. You now can make an awesome drink by pouring a cup of lemonade into the tea. Watch it turn. Tastes good. Aftertaste, not that good. Now we can do the reverse and see what happens. We took the butterfly pea tea and we froze those in ice cubes too. Now I'm going to put it in the lemonade. All of them. Since they're ice cubes, it's going to be a slower reaction. As you're drinking, the ice cubes will slowly melt and will turn purple. Can you see the layer of purple on the top? It's sitting on top because there's more sugar in the lemonade. And that shows you the sugary lemonade is more dense. It's kind of like when you throw a basketball in the air and you throw a balloon with helium in it. The basketball full of air is heavier than the helium. So the basketball sinks and the balloon floats. That's density. If you don't want a slow reaction with the ice cubes, then pour the tea right into the lemonade. Watch this reaction. Which reaction did you like the best? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed my video today. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time.
Is it good?